Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to manage the charging sound, so how to turn it off or on. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the second position, which is sound. Here we've got system sound, so let's tap on it, and on the third position we've got charging. So this option is responsible for the sound feedback after plugging in the cable. So right now it is activated, so obviously you will hear the sound after plugging the cable, and if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see right now it is inactive, so I hope you won't hear anything after plugging the cable. Of course you can turn it on whenever you want, just tap on the switcher here and make sure that it looks like it, so it means that it is activated. So well, actually that's all. This is how to manage the charging sounds in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.